Good evening, Robert Scribbler filming for the OBX wave report, looking south and east from Jeanette's Pier as two surfers get into the shore break section here. And we've got about 5 surfers in the offshore. Conditions cleaning up, although you can still see some chop. Say right now conditions are semi-choppy to fair with light easterly and northeasterly winds. Sets rolling in here with the shore break / gravel zone active, and then the offshore sandbar near Jeanette's Pier active as well. Much cleaner than earlier this morning, and likely by tomorrow conditions will be even better. Looking forward to some morning sessions on tomorrow, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, maybe on Sunday too, as we're expected to see much cleaner conditions with Tammy getting closer and a high pressure system overhead giving us a lot less in the way of wind. So with good swell and less wind, that's a recipe for some really nice surfing conditions, and we sure could use it here in the Outer Banks as we've been dealing with a lot of chop and slop lately. Okay, so let's get down to some of the local observations from both the Outer Banks and the Mid-Atlantic. We'll start far to the north here in Virginia Beach for our October 23rd session of the OBX wave report here, with 1 to 2 foot waves and choppy conditions. Here in Nag's Head, 2 to 3 foot, semi-choppy, cleaning up though. I would say much cleaner than this morning. We've got some easterly winds in the range of about 5 miles per hour. Swell coming in out of the southeast at 2.2 foot and 11 seconds. And I do have a correction. Today is October the 24th, so this is the October the 24th session of the OBX wave report. Southeast swell at 2.2 foot and 11 seconds. Air temperatures in the lower 60s, around 63 degrees right now. Ocean water temperature 67, and we are looking forward to a low tide this evening at around 10:15 p.m. All right, and then heading on down south to Road Anthony, we got 2 to 3 foot waves. Semi-choppy conditions also cleaning up down there. The southeast swell at 2.8 foot and 11 seconds. Winds out of the north-northeast at about 6 miles per hour. Air temperatures 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperatures 68. And we are looking forward to a low tide tonight at around 10:45. And then at Buxton right now, we got 3 foot waves. Semi-clean conditions with the southeast swell at 3 foot and 11 seconds. We got east-northeast winds at 5 miles per hour. Air temperatures 62 degrees. Ocean water temperatures 72, and we're looking at a low tide at around 10 p.m. this evening. And last of all, at Frisco, we've got 3 foot plus waves and semi-clean conditions as well. Okay, looking at the weather from, we're getting our data from the National Weather Service, the Global Forecast System model, the National Hurricane Center, and the Wave Watch 3 ocean wave model. And what is happening right now, we've got high pressure now in place over the Outer Banks, with wind and sea starting to calm this evening and expected calm conditions for the next few days. Tammy is rather starting to look a bit more disorganized, but nonetheless maintaining hurricane or near hurricane strength out in the Atlantic Ocean right now and heading toward Bermuda. Tammy is expected to recurve toward Bermuda and then head roughly toward Bermuda and then past Bermuda as it becomes extratropical. And then third, we've got a southeast swell building, mainly due to the influence of Tammy as well as some other storm systems in the ocean. And this southeasterly swell is expected to continue over the next 3 to 5 days. So overall, waves heading toward cleaner and then larger conditions with possible 2 to 5 foot surf by Saturday. All right, so that will conclude our session of the OBX wave report for this evening on Tuesday, October the 24th. Hope you guys do get into the water and enjoy some of these improving wave conditions. As you can see right now, a lot more surfers in the water than there have been, or there are definitely waves to be had. Likely going to see some more surfers tomorrow morning as well. All right, thank you for joining me once again. And as I typically do, I'd like to ask you guys to please do everything you can to protect our coastlines from the impacts of climate change driven by fossil fuel burning. Those impacts being rising sea levels, more intense storms, ocean heat waves, and ocean acidification, both of which affect the sea life, which we all enjoy so much, both here in the Outer Banks and elsewhere. And primary immediate solutions to the climate crisis being the mass deployment of clean energy that is mass deployable right now, being wind, water, solar, and electric vehicles, and also a push toward much more sustainable materials production. All right, so thank you for joining me once again, and hope you guys do get out into the water and enjoy some of the improving surf this evening and tomorrow and in the days to follow.